Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the... Today's topic, the sun. What is the sun? Why is the sun? How is the sun?
Aiden, go ahead and show him what's behind door number 1.
The sun is a large star that is kind of hot, you know, like 5,500 degrees onto the exterior and a small bump to about 15 million degrees Celsius at the core.
That's pretty hot, right?
What are you talking about? That's like a good summer day, right? The sun is a big flaming ball of hot stuff that spins around in the middle of absolutely nowhere and has a dandy time giving light to our world. Some say he's pretty helpful. In my opinion, he's kind of a jerk. Yeah, you know what, son? I'm calling you out. You know what? Boxing, buddy. 10-ounce gloves, no headgear. Second round KO. But he does keep us alive, so I'll give him that.
You're good there, champ.
No. He gave me a sunburn a few days ago.
Okay, well, we're moving on from that. Okay. The sun and the rest of the solar system were formed by giant clouds, dust and gas, called a solar nebula. A short time ago, like 4.5 billion years ago.
I'm proud of you. You somehow did not mess up during that sentence. This is actually the first try, okay? This isn't like some weird meta stuff. This is the first take. This is the first take we've done of this. Clap for this man in the comments. Yes, this is going on YouTube. Give me an A+. Hey, both of us. About to go to bed. Oh, Jesus. That's going 100% in.
I fell on my fucking shit.
Moving on from that, let's talk about how far the big boy up there is. The sun is around 151.99 million miles away. You know, it's pretty far, I'd say, if I had any input on that. What about you, Gabe?
Well, even if we wanted to go there, which, I mean, I don't think I ever want to, it's kind of toasty. Even if we wanted to, we don't got the technology yet. Once we do, maybe. But the travel's gonna be, you're gonna have to fly in space for 151 million miles. Oh. We're not that close.
152 if you round up. Just gonna say that. But, well, that could be a problem that you could solve, or your kids, or your grandkids. Now that's up to us. Or is it? Thanks for watching. The sun is 151 oh.
Learn to read, you retard, you fucking moron!